Good evening, brothers and sisters. It is 10 p.m. Central Standard Time on January 23rd, 2022. Look at what we got here, folks. We are over here at SECCHI. Oh, let me tap on her here. Oh, come on. Got this thing. There we go. Here we are at Seeds, SECCHI. This is where I do bring you guys. And look at this. The days started to become filled in. But we still have 4 days missing here. But it's current here. That's interesting. Okay. Whatever. So, this is something that I was really hoping to find. I was hoping that they would fill in some of these blanks. And this is the reason why. Let's go to the 11th. This is Stereo Ahead Cornergraph 2. This is what I've shown you guys over on ISWA, where we have our little, oh, did you see that? The space station, boop, just all of a sudden arrived. We're watching it, not there, and right towards the end of the day, now we see some kind of a little visitor friend here, and then towards the end of the day, bam, he shows up. Now, do you see there's a time gap, 1953 to 2023. We're missing half an hour, and all of a sudden, boom, there he is, and he's there for the next few frames. And I thought, you know, maybe that's just happenstance. Well, actually, he might be there. Oh, yeah, it was just the way the camera was. Oh, yeah, look at that. He's there. I don't know if this is going to let me do it this way. Nope, it doesn't do that. Oh, that's so annoying. I guess you can kind of see him. You know what? Best way to find out. Let's go check the... Oh, yeah, look at the black... Look at that stuff coming out around it. See that? It's there. But let's go check out the day previous. Okay, I'm going to do this. Instead of shutting the video off, I'm just going to do it live with you. Let's go check out the 10th. Yep, looks like he's there. Let's actually zoom in on this thing while it's just running. It looks like he might be there. It's kind of difficult, but do you see the wedge? There's a wedge here. And every time something goes to get comes to blast off, it goes around. But he's hidden because there's something going on with the screen or something, right? But check this out. And I've been showing this thing for a while. Now we'll come over here to the 12th. And there he is the whole time. This got all cleaned up, and now he's there all of a sudden? Things that make you go, You guys see what I'm saying? I certainly hope so. Now that's the 12th. Now let's run it up to today. This is today's. Is he there? All of a sudden he's gone. But whoa, what is that? Look at this. What is this? There's something here, and that is massive, folks. What is that? Oh, I gotta zoom in on this. Look at this. Now this plasma in the sun's rays, everything's blasting out, and this thing's going against the blast of the sun. Look at that. Whatever this is, it is a freaking beast. That is monstrous. I know y'all see this. Whoa. What? This is getting crazy. Looked like we had a pretty big flash on the right side. Right there. So something went by. Well, that was it. Let's go check a couple other things real quick. So here we are looking at the 21st. I did back it up from Seeds because it's nice to see it in the reverse ink filter here because you can see more shadows of things. Now you can't see that space station on the reverse ink filter at all. And actually that would have been fantastic if you can, but we're going to zoom in on this bad boy. Come here, you. If you look, it's actually it's actually here. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit. It's right above it. You'll see the stuff going around. Bloop, see it light up there? It's actually there. But you notice how this is all pixelated, but the one from the 12th was nice and cleaned up and clear. They're pixelating it intentionally so we can't see it. That's why they do that. I'm going to show you guys why I love having Seeds, the SECCHI with stereo head, but this being the reverse ink filter. This really allows us to see not just our coronal mass ejections, but also other planetary type objects. Let me show you what I mean. This right here is frame 1. And now you can't really see, well, I guess you can kind of see it. Right here, you can kind of see there's like a round object right here, right? But watch this. Come over here, and we got the round object right here. Okay? Now, watch as I advance it. Boop! Oh, come on. I know y'all see it now. Right there. Don't know what it is. Don't know if it's Nemesis, Nibiru. I think it's too small. I think it's one of our exoplanets. We have several planets that they're discovering in our solar system that they had no idea about. But look at that. I know you guys can see it moving. Yeah, but she's definitely something perfectly round. Global type. Pretty crazy, huh? So where should we confirm this? Let's go back over here. This 22nd. And let's come to the 22nd here. Alright, back her up. Come here, Cletus. Now, as we start to come out of here, now this is LASCO C2, okay, and this is the reversing filter for LASCO C2. We can't really see it here, but I know you see it here. Right there. That's right. Now, as I actually advance forward again, look at that. You can see that nice big round shape even better. Look at how nice and perfectly curved that nice round object is right there. Two different, completely different satellites with two different filters. Actually, probably 4 in combination. And there it is. And look, it doesn't even move. See that? It's not even moving. The only thing moving is the plasma clouds. But if you actually look through these plasma clouds and you look at right here, you'll see this object does not move at all. Look at that. It stays put. And then it starts to move. And now it's being covered up and hidden by the plasma. Oh, actually, you can kind of see it right here. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, what was that over here? Look at that little signature trail. That is fun, amazing stuff. But, to get back to what I was on point about, I've been showing SECCHI for a while. And on the 11th, it finally showed up, and it's here all this week here. But down here, it's gone. You can't really see it now. For those of us that have eyes to see now, we know where to look, and sometimes you might see it in doing something. But you come up here into the previous week, 15th. Hey, look, there it is. Our spaceship. Right there. What was that? Whoa, look at that. Battle formation. Oh, are you guys seeing something over here? Yeah, you should. Because look at this. Oop. Look at the plasma going around it. Oh, yeah. Confirmed. There, keep going. Oh, that's just beautiful. Beautimous. And then we got another pop. That one there. Perfectly round. And it's got a filament right behind it. And look at this. Over here, we're getting it confirmed. Oh, yeah. Perfectly round. Single point of plasma being pushed out. It hits a round ball. And if anybody smokes, or if you vape, hold yourself a beach ball up and go and blow a big old puff at it, and it's going to go all the way around it like that, just like we saw with that other one. That is a large planetary type object of some sort. Stay safe out there, folks, and remember, love is the only way forward.